Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile using Notion resume templates step by step clearly. Open Notion and log into your account. Navigate to the templates section of Notion. Search for resume in the template gallery. Browse through the available resume templates and select one that suits your style. Click on the chosen template to open it. Customize the template with your personal information. Update your name, contact details, and professional headline. Add a professional summary that highlights your key skills and experiences. Fill in your work history, starting with your most recent job. Include job titles, company names, and dates of employment. For each position, add bullet points detailing your responsibilities and achievements. Next, update your education section with relevant degrees and certifications. Add sections for volunteer work or projects, if applicable. Once complete, review the entire resume for accuracy and coherence. Export your Notion resume as a PDF or copy it directly. Open LinkedIn and log into your account. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Click the Edit button on your profile. Begin updating the sections using information from your Notion resume. Start with your headline and summary, then move through each section. Update your work experience by adding new roles or editing existing ones. Ensure all details match what you have included in your Notion resume. Update your education and skills sections to reflect the new information. Double-check for any inconsistencies or errors. Finally, save your changes and refresh your profile to see the updates. Your LinkedIn profile is now updated with fresh, relevant content from your Notion resume. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.